You see that fizz? That's not magic. That's chemistry in action. This is 3% hydrogen peroxide, the same stuff in the first aid aisle at the dollar store. And in gardening, it's basically a natural oxidizer that could be used as a disinfectant. The chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. And when it hits microbes or organic gunk, it generates a chemical reaction that destroys cell membranes, proteins, and DNA. On contact, you'll observe a fizz, which is oxygen being released from peroxide, resulting in water and an extra oxygen atom. So, what you're seeing is peroxide reacting with organic matter, both hydrating and increasing oxygen for your plants. The benefits are undeniable, and here are the top 5 uses for hydrogen peroxide in gardening and why. Number 1, dechlorination. Chlorine is a chemical added to tap water to kill microbes, similar to hydrogen peroxide. The problem is, it's much more toxic, and in levels higher than 1 ppm, it could damage plant tissue and roots. Hydrogen peroxide accelerates the pace at which chlorine is reduced from tap water, and when it comes in contact with it, it breaks it down to the ion chloride, water, and oxygen. 2 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide per gallon is recommended for at least 24 hours. Number 2, cleaning wet systems. Humidifier tanks, hydroponic reservoirs, drip lines, air stones, anything that gets this slime and biofilm. Ugh. This nasty sludge is filled with bad microbes, and when you apply hydrogen peroxide, that fizz you're seeing is these microbes dying. Number 3, killing algae. This top layer of algae will consume nutrients intended for your plants. When it creates this carpet, it slows down water from reaching the lower layers, which could create dry pockets in your soil. Spraying this layer with hydrogen peroxide will reset the layer and kill this algae. Number 4, sterile hydroponics. Adding hydrogen peroxide to your hydroponic reservoirs will keep water free of all pathogens. This in turn keeps your grow sterile. Adding 5 milliliters per bucket twice a week will help prevent root rot, and the reaction with microbes also adds oxygen to your water. Number 5, for seeds. By soaking rapid rooters or cleaning seeds with hydrogen peroxide before germinating, you're removing any possible contaminants. This ensures your sproutlings have the best chances for sprouting. As a gardener, hydrogen peroxide is the best bang for the buck, and it easily outperforms so many other synthetic solutions to keep your grows clean. For more tutorials on home gardening, check out my other videos.